everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to another video. Today's video is my April monthly spread and I remembered my tweezers this time. Woohoo! I actually have like 2 sets of these ones, so I need to find the other ones so I can just leave them in here. Anyways, this is the April monthly kit. This is actually just the, what is it called? Why don't I know it? It's something with rain. And remember, with my monthly kits, you can have them say whatever month you want, and you can now also get them in glossy, and they come in standard or Erin Condren size, Happy Planner, B6, and a personal size. So yeah, let's get into this plan with me. So I hope you're doing well. I'm excited that it is April because it's my birthday month. It's also both of my nephews' birthdays. We are April babies, and I am excited for my birthday. We are gonna go into Tulsa and have like me, my dad, and my sister and have fun, adult fun. And then on, what do you call it? The weekend, like in between most of our birthdays, we are going to do a, why can't I speak? We are going to go to Frontier City. So it's like, it's owned by Six Flags, and it's just one of those like theme park things. It's cool. It's small, but it's cool, and the boys will love it, and I really enjoy theme parks, so yeah, I love roller coasters and all that cool stuff. So do you like that? Yeah. Okay, I need to get my phone because I don't know when it starts. I know it starts on Thursday. I don't want to get it wrong like I did last month and had to sit there and move them all. That sucked. But yeah, so I'm going to speed this up. Do you want them here or here? I'm going to do it like I normally do right there. So like I said, I'm going to speed this up. It's much easier if I just put a whole bunch of these on my hand, and then I can grab them with the tweezers. So I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, we have our date dots in. I think I'm gonna put this rain strip like down the middle here just to kind of take up room. And I will trim it because I forgot it's short or long. So I don't know where I want to put these guys, but I think I want to put this one down here, maybe like that. I always envy the people that put stuff off kilter because I think it looks adorable, but I never do it. So I'm going to try that and see if I like it. I probably will hate it, but you never know. Okay, so we have birthdays galore, and I want to use Tigros for those. So get out my birthday stickers They're here. I just had them. Here they are. Use that one. And this one for me. Okay. So my birthday is on the 10th. And I will be having a super duper big sale like I always do. It'll also be new releases. So I'm going to put, I usually use the butterfly for this. And I'm going to put starting the 9th, and that whole weekend will be my birthday sale and new releases. And then I will be gone that day celebrating, so woohoo. I think I might use these little, I think I'm going to use these clinking glasses and put them overlapping like that. I think that's cute. I like layering stickers. I don't know what the book of the month is yet. We haven't picked it. Okay, then my nephews, and I'm going to use these smaller Tigeros. I need to fix the offset on these, but one's is the 15th and the others is the 30th. And the 17th is when I think we are going to go to Frontier City. So I'm just going to put it there. Actually, I want it to be more cool than that. So take this off. And it's not adhered yet, so perfect. Put this one down. Not totally happy that that's matchy-matchy, but that's okay. Put those down. Fix this, so it's even too crooked for me. There we go. Get these tweezers, I don't know why I've never done this. It makes it so much easier. I feel like an idiot for not doing it. Okay, so that's literally, oh, Easter. How did I forget Easter? Where are my, I don't know. Gotta put these in. We got April Fool's Day. On the 1st. Oh, when is Megan's birthday? Megan's birthday's near mine. Shoot. Okay, my camera just died and the backup battery is not working, so yeah. So I thought I had an Easter sticker and it really makes me mad that I don't. So that's got to get fixed soon. But I'm just going to put this here. Do I have a heart or something? I just feel weird putting an alarm clock for Easter, but I guess it's a reminder that he is risen. Anyways, here is what it looks like before the pen. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know which kit you are using this month in your monthly spread. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.